Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is the Master Mega Duty 3-hole punch. The Master Mega Duty 3-hole punch powers through piles of paper with just one punch. The spring-assisted mechanism and oversized handle make punching stacks of paper a whole lot easier. This unit features an adjustable paper guide to ensure accuracy and can punch up to 80 sheets at one time. The holes are spaced to fit all standard binders. Punch right through all of that paperwork with the Master Mega Duty 3-hole punch. Make sure to add it to your cart today.